Welcome to English Rush. Let's learn phrasal verbs with meanings and sentences. What is she doing? Peel off. To remove a layer or covering by lifting or pulling it away. For example, she peeled off the sheet mask after 15 minutes. What's happening here? Twist off. To remove something by turning. For example, she twisted off the lid of the jar to use the flour. What is she doing? Turn around. To rotate or face the opposite direction. For example, she turned around to see who was calling her. What's happening here? Get up. To rise from the ground or a seated position. For example, she fell down and her friend helped her get up. What's going on here? Turn down. To refuse or reject. For example, she turned down the marriage proposal. What is she doing? Look for. To try to find something. For example, she is looking for her car keys in the bag. What happened? Fall down. To lose balance and hit the ground. For example, he skated on the ice but fell down because it was slippery. What's happening here? Break out. To start suddenly. For example, a fire broke out at the petrol station last week. What is she doing? Crack open. To open something by breaking it slightly. For example, she cracked open an egg into the bowl. What's going on here? Gobble up. To eat very quickly. For example, he gobbled up his breakfast before leaving for work. What is happening to him? You can use the phrasal verb choke on, which means to have difficulty breathing because something is stuck in your throat. For example, he choked on a piece of sushi and quickly coughed it out. What is happening here? You can use the phrasal verb pour out, which means to serve liquid. For example, she poured out some juice for everyone. What is being done here? Use the phrasal verb tear up, which means to rip something into pieces. For example, he tore up the contract in frustration. What is she doing? Use the phrasal verb come up with, which means to think of or produce an idea, plan, or solution. For example, she came up with a brilliant idea for the project. What do you think she's doing? Use the phrasal verb put on, which means to wear clothes or accessories. For example, she put on her glasses before reading a book. What is the man doing? Use the phrasal verb sweep up, which means to clean an area by brushing dirt, dust, or leaves together with a broom. For example, he is sweeping up the leaves on the street. What is happening here? Use the phrasal verb hang up, which means to place clothes on a hanger, hook, or stand. For example, she's hanging up the wet clothes to dry after washing. What is happening to her? Use the phrasal verb throw up, which means to vomit. For example, she felt sick and threw up her lunch. What are they doing? Use the phrasal verb tidy up, which means to make a place neat and organized. For example, she tidied up her room before the guests arrived. What is happening to her? You can use the phrasal verb pass out, which means to faint or lose consciousness. For example, she passed out suddenly while clutching her chest. What is he doing? You can use the phrasal verb pull over, which means to stop a vehicle at the side of the road. For example, the police told him to pull over. What happened to her car? You can use the phrasal verb break down, which means when a machine or vehicle stops working. For example, my car broke down on the way to work. What is the man doing? Use the phrasal verb lie down, which means to rest your body horizontally. For example, he lay down on the sofa to rest after a long day. What is he doing? Use the phrasal verb take care of, which means to look after someone or something. For example, he is taking care of his wife while she is sick. What is the dog doing? Use the phrasal verb run after, which means to chase or pursue someone or something. For example, the dog ran after the ball in the park. What is happening here? Use the phrasal verb call back, which means to return a phone call. For example, I'll call you back in 5 minutes. What is happening here? You can use the phrasal verb blow up, which means to explode. For example, the balloon blew up suddenly. What is happening here? Use the phrasal verb make up, which means to reconcile after an argument. For example, they finally made up after the fight. What is happening here? Use the phrasal verb hand over, which means to give something to someone else. For example, the owner handed over the keys to the new family. What's going on over here? You can use the phrasal verb throw away, which means to get rid of something. For example, she threw away the rotten food to keep the kitchen clean. What are they doing? You can use the phrasal verb get together, which means to meet socially. For example, we get together every weekend. What's going on over here? You can use the phrasal verb look up, which means to search for information in a book, online, or dictionary. For example, she looked up the word in the dictionary. What's happening here? Use the phrasal verb see off, which means to go with someone to say goodbye. For example, he went to the airport to see off his friend. What are they doing? Use the phrasal verb run away, which means to leave quickly to escape. For example, the children ran away to play in the park.